Hey everyone, this is First Warn Storm Team Chief Meteorologist Brad Panovich. Quick update from the airport in Denver. I'm getting ready to get on a plane to come back to Charlotte, so you probably hear the loudness behind me. I just want to do a quick update before I jump on the plane because I'm going to be offline for a while. Here's our storm system. You can see the upper system is back here in parts of Kansas and Nebraska, but the low is beginning to form here in parts of Texas, Louisiana, Arkansas. These two systems are going to combine and form this big East Coast storm, and the timing is still later tonight. The precipitation will probably start after midnight, more likely towards daybreak tomorrow, and then it gets really heavy during the day tomorrow. The big changes from last night, when you saw some of my posts, is that the ice threat for the Charlotte area is continuing to increase. We thought this was going to be an issue last night. It's actually gotten worse this morning with the new model data. We're looking at significant icing of a quarter inch or more. Now, when you get a quarter inch of ice or more, that's enough weight on power lines and trees to bring them down, and there's an outside chance we could get above that, maybe even close to half or 3/4 of an inch. That would be a crippling ice storm for the Charlotte area. There's still some issues that it could mix in with sleet or rain that would reduce the ice totals, but we're going to see some type of mix, and that's the million-dollar question. How long does it stay freezing rain? How long does it stay sleet? How long does it stay even a little bit of snow at the end? It will snow eventually, but probably not till Saturday. Now, in the foothills and mountains, this is going to be solidly snow or sleet, so we're looking at significant accumulations there, probably getting in the order to a foot or more from Boone down towards Hickory. So here's the ice map, and I really just kind of, it is right about what I expect. If you look at the heaviest ice, it's really around south of Greensboro, down into Charlotte, and then into the upstate. This corridor right here, to me, is the biggest threat for a damaging ice storm, and we're talking significant icing to bring down trees and power lines. Again, the timing is really starting overnight, but really peaks Friday through Saturday morning. So all day Friday night to Saturday, then Saturday this changes to snow before it all moves out by Sunday. So my snow map hasn't changed at all. Let me pull that up real quickly. So this is a look at my snow and sleet potential. I'm on the conservative side for a couple reasons. One, I think we're going to have so much mixing down here, but 1 to 2 inches likely, and then it's going to ramp up quickly. Up in here, this honestly, I have this number here, but look at the top. You can see this is more in the 6, 8 to 10 range. And then in the mountains, this could easily be a foot to 18, maybe even outside chance. Some locations could see 20 inches. But I'm going to stick on the conservative side just because I think the mixing could reduce totals. And that's the big question with this whole storm as it approaches tonight and tomorrow. How long does this stay sleet, freezing rain, snow, or rain? For the Charlotte area, it's really about the ice. Focus on the ice. The ice potential is huge. You need to be prepared for substantial days without power, possibly without heat, possibly impassable roads, not because they'll be ice covered. They'll be covered with tree branches and power lines. People think the roads will get icy. They will in spots, trust me, but oftentimes in these ice storms, the roads can be wet, but the trees and power lines come down and kind of block all the roadways. So that's something to keep an eye on. Again, I'm on my way. I'm on a plane. I'm heading on a plane right now to Atlanta, to Charlotte. I'll be there this evening, and you'll see me on TV tonight starting at 11 p.m. on NBC Charlotte. Please be safe, and you have 24 hours to prepare, so get ready now.